Have you ever needed to reinstall Windows 10 but realized you don't have a USB drive? Or maybe your computer doesn't even have a DVD drive anymore? No problem at all. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 directly from the ISO file. That means no USB, no DVD, nothing extra needed. It's perfect if you want to avoid the hassle of creating a bootable USB. By the end of this video, you will have a fresh copy of Windows 10 installed and running on your PC. So let's get started. First, we need to download the Windows 10 ISO file. So open your browser and search for Windows 10 download. Click the first link from Microsoft's official website. Scroll down to create Windows 10 installation media and click download now. Run the downloaded media creation tool and follow the instructions. Accept the Microsoft license terms. When asked what do you want to do, select Create Installation Media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC. Click Next. Choose your preferred language, edition and architecture. Click ISO file and save it to your desired folder. Once the ISO file download is complete, navigate to the Downloads folder. Right-click the ISO file and choose Mount. Windows will now treat this ISO as a virtual DVD, displaying its contents. In the virtual drive window, double-click the setup.exe file. Now, the Windows 10 setup wizard will appear on your screen. Follow the steps carefully to complete the Windows 10 installation. Click Accept to download the latest installation files. You'll then be asked what you'd like to keep during installation. You'll have three options. Keep personal files and apps. Recommended if you are upgrading and want to keep everything. Keep personal files only. Your files will remain but installed apps will be removed. Nothing. This will perform a fresh, clean installation and remove all files and apps. Be sure to back up your files first if you choose this option. After selecting your preferred option, click Install. Windows 10 will now begin the installation process. Let Windows complete the installation. Once the installation is done, Windows will prompt you through some simple initial setup screens. Just go through these steps. After completing the quick setup screens, you will land on the fresh new Windows 10 desktop, ready to use. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Windows 10 without needing a USB drive or DVD.